You know those perfect moments when you just find that piece off the side of the road for a couple of bucks and you need to have it? That was me. I found this table and she's gorgeous. She needs a little bit of TLC, some sanding and painting, and a few extra details. So let's get started. I have 500 dowels. They're going on that table too. I did a little scuff sanding so that the paint would have something to grip onto. There was a little bit of damage, so I added some wood filler and I'm waiting for that to dry so I can sand that, and then we're just gonna begin the process. Oh yeah. My driveway is on an angle and I'm never gonna get this table to be level no matter how much I shim it. So I'm gonna take this inside and work on that.
All right, much better, it's level. I'm gonna set these dowels all the way around the table.
Okay, I'm ready, go. I did the thing, it didn't happen. No, you gotta do it one by one. It's not that bad. I just used wood glue. I let it get tacky first, then I set the dowels. I bought 500 dowels for a 36-inch table and I had 3 left over. Good calculating. And now it's time for my favorite part. Using my Paint Zoom 3000 Platinum paint sprayer, it made putting on the paint so easy and smooth. Look how it gets into all those crevices. And the coverage is spot on. I'm gonna spray the top of the table, and here's the finished product. I think it turned out great.